Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to add multiple signatures in Docusign, perfect for contracts, agreements, or any document that needs signatures from several people. By the end of this video, you'll be able to set up your document efficiently and get all the signatures you need without any hassle. Let's dive in. Access Docusign first, open your web browser, and go to the Docusign website. Once you're there, click the Login button in the top right corner and enter your credentials to access your account. Start sending a document. After logging in, you'll land on your home page. Click the Start button to begin the sending process. Make sure your document is ready to go, whether it's a PDF, Word file, or another supported format. Add recipient details. Next, it's time to add the recipients. Fill in the names and email addresses of everyone who needs to sign the document. You can also include instructions or notes for each signer if needed. Once that's done, click Next to move to the document editor. Place signature fields. Now comes the key part, adding signature fields. On the document screen, look for the toolbox options. Click on Signature for each person who needs to sign. Carefully drag and drop the signature field onto the document, aligning it with the correct recipient's name. Repeat this process for each signer until all signature fields are in place. Review and send before sending. Quickly review the document to make sure all signatures are correctly placed and that every recipient has a field assigned. Once everything looks good, click Send. Your recipients will receive an email notification and they can sign the document electronically. And that's it. You've successfully added multiple signatures in Docusign, making your workflow faster and more efficient. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.